All right, guys, we are here in Anaheim, and as you can see, there is a whole bunch of paint from some painters on the panels themselves. We are going to remove the paint and get that all taken care of. You can see how bad it is right here in the middle. So what Ryan is doing is he is actually using a spray. This is for paint, and we're going to get this taken off. This is going to sit on for maybe about a minute. It's very corrosive stuff. This stuff right here will take anything off. It's good for glass. This is the only reason why we're using it, because it's actually really good for glass. So Ryan, how long does that come off?
Like a minute or so.
About a minute or so.
Yeah, it works really fast.
Yeah, so you don't want to leave this stuff on too long. Okay, and so we're gonna basically just get this on, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean this off. We do use some soft rags and stuff for that, and then also if I can reach out here we go, use that, and you just pretty much scrub it off, and it takes a while, but it will come off. A lot of scrubbing, a lot of stuff that we have to do in order to get that off. I will show you guys when it's all done. I'll show you this whole section right here. So as you can see, all this stuff is pretty bad. It's on here really bad, and we're gonna go ahead and show you that this section right here where this flag is, this whole section here is gonna come completely off. All right, guys, see you in a bit. All right, we are back. I'm out here with Ryan.
Hi, everybody.
And we went ahead and we took the paint off the solar panels. You want to explain exactly how you did that?
So we had put a little bit of this paint remover. We used it for glass, and we just sprayed on, leave it on for a minute. Use this brush, a pad brush. Comes right off, and with the SoCal brush,
this right here has 500 psi's coming out. Go ahead and lift that up, out of one nozzle. So this right here will clean the paint off very nice. As you guys probably seen before, this is the one where the flag was, and we're kind of showing you, and I'm gonna get really close, All this is clean. Now, some instances, like right here, you can't get that because you'll take that coating off, the finish. You don't want to go ahead and scrape that at all. You just want to get the glass part. That's the most important part. As you guys can probably see, right there, right about there, is right on the frame. That's where the paint still is. We don't touch that part. We just leave that part alone. It's already there. But as you can see how nice these came out, and they're all done pretty much. He's just going over it, making sure that it's nice and clean, and as you can tell, coming off very nice. Customer's going to be very happy. And the customer actually charged the painter, back charged the painter for this, so the painter has to pay for it, unfortunately. But it is what it is, and that's where we're going to collect. We're going to actually collect from the painter itself and make sure that that's done and so forth. So this one right here is not a rush job. This one is take your time, get it done right, get it nice and clean, get it the cleanest as you can possibly get it. And you can tell today is a very gloomy day today, but this is actually a really good time for us to go out there and clean these panels and remove paint from them and so forth. So well, with that being said, guys, that's pretty much it. As you can see how nice of a job it was done and how nice it actually came out. With that being said, we will catch you guys on the next video. See you guys. Peace.